Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshots on the Google Pixel 8a. It's really quite simple. All you have to do is unlock your smartphone, go to the app or the screen you'd like to take a screenshot, in this case the Threads app with a tweet from Jason Howell about my recent appearance on the Techsploder podcast. And then I'm going to place my fingers on the power button and the volume down button at the same time and press those buttons. Once you've done that, you'll get a little pop down in the top left hand side of your screen, which will easily allow you to then go and edit and crop the picture you've just taken. You can also add text, add markers, add some extra drawings on top to highlight things, and an eraser as well. So a really handy tool set for quickly taking screenshots and being able to edit and save them. So in this case I'm going to save that, and that's done. I'll quickly show you how to take a screenshot and maybe edit something. In this case I'm going to take that screenshot and say we want to delete the repost function. So we need to have a marker on there saying, with a little highlight, and then you want to delete, you can do that. So you've got a pretty much full editor of your screenshot there, which is very useful when wanting to quickly share information. You then also have a share button at the top right of your screen. So that's it, really quick way of taking screenshots on the Google Pixel 8a. Let's repeat that very quickly for you. Open the app you want to take a screenshot of, or have the content on screen, and then press volume down and power at the same time. Volume down, power, press, and you get the screenshot. Great. So that was a very quick walkthrough on how to take screenshots on the Google Pixel 8a. We are working on more Google Pixel 8a videos. We will be releasing our long-term review very soon. So if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, I'll leave you and thank you for watching this far. Goodbye from me.